Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake these pretty sprinkle biscuits. Start off by making your dough. To watch a video on how to make the dough, click on the link above. When you've finished making your dough, get some of it and roll it out into a log shape. And then get your sprinkles and put them on your work surface and roll your dough in it to make sure it's all covered. If it's not completely covered, just fill up some of the gaps with your sprinkles with your hands and then roll this up in cling film and put it in the fridge to firm up. When they're firm, get them out of the fridge, unwrap them and then cut them into slices and put them on a baking tray. Put this back in the fridge. A few minutes before they're ready, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden brown on the edges. And then put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. I'm going to bite one and show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and baked through and it tastes great. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.